I just cleansed my face and I have this intensive Snail repair serum to put on. So I wanted to give you a before and after. This is the before. This is what it looks like. Comes with the dropper. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on my fingertips here. And then we'll put it upon my face. This one's not very sticky. Let's use a little more here. And you could always apply the dropper straight to your face. I like to apply it to my fingertips first. Now this has all the Snail filtrate, and it is great for wrinkle care, which is something that I am pretty obsessed with. I like the glass bottle. I like the size of it as well. So I usually give it a little bit of time to set in, and then I'll follow up with any moisturizers or makeup. So let's give it a couple seconds and let it set in, and then we'll have our after. Here is the after. I like how your skin has a nice glow to it, and it feels good and tight. So you kind of get that firmness as well. This is dermatologist tested and made in Korea. I really like this, and I think you're gonna love it as well.